Now let's look at how you can create accrued salary entries. At first, we should prepare accounts which are taking part in those entries. You can find them in the menu Salary Parameters and Salary Accounts. You see these accounts here: accrued expense, income tax, accrued for a pension fund, and so on. You can change any of those accounts easily. For example, if you need to replace this account with another, you should select this field and type account number you need. And pay attention to this field here, create sub-accounts. When this checkbox is marked for the account, then a person's sub-account will be added under this account automatically, and system will use that sub-account in process of creating accrued salary entries. Now let's create those entries. Select the menu, a salary and accrued salary entries. You can see a list of calculated payrolls on this screen. You should check the payroll, which corresponding entries you want to be created. Now let's select the payroll for February. Put transaction date here. You can put comment here as well and click OK. Now let's look at those entries. Access the menu Accounting and Entries. And you can see here in the field transaction type has been specified that those are accrued salary entries. Now update, and as you can see here on the screen, salaries as well as income taxes have been recorded for each of those employees. And pay attention to that. These are employees sub-accounts which have been added under the account 3130, because as you may remember, checkbox create sub-accounts has been marked for this account on the screen salary accounts. Click Save and go back to the salary account screen. And the system also enables us to use the different accounts for the different departments in process of creating accrued salary entries. For example, if you want to use another account instead of the 3130 for the specific department, you should select this account at the top of the screen and link the department here at the lower part of the screen and specify account as well. Now let's look at specific example. Go back to the list of employees and add one more employee in different department, and instead of 3130 use another account for this employee in process of creating accrued salary entries. And we added one more employee to the list of employees in the different department and the administration, and also we added one more account to the chart of accounts 3131 administration salaries for this employee. Now go to the menu Salary Accounts. Select the account 3130, which should be replaced by the account 3131 for administrative employees in process of creating accrued salary entries, and link the department to this account at the lower part of this screen. Add new record for that. Update, choose administration, specify account number you want to be used for this department. You can type 3131 right here, and of course mark this checkbox create sub-accounts in order that employees sub-accounts have been added under this account automatically, and go to the menu Salary Calculation and calculate salaries for all of those employees. And now let's perform accrued salary entries again. Select the payroll for March, specify transaction date, and click OK. Now let's look at those entries. Update entries for March. As you can see here, account 3131 is being used instead of 3130 for the employee we added in the administration recently.